Welcome to BidAllies, your go-to partner for wholesale mobile devices. Let's walk through the simple steps to create your account and get started with exclusive access to our top-tier inventory. To start, click Account in the top menu. Then select Start the application. This is your first step to joining our trusted marketplace for wholesale devices. Next, enter your first and last name, your email address, and create a secure password. This ensures your account is ready to access our wholesale platform. Once you've filled in your details, click Submit to complete this step. You'll receive an email to confirm your address and continue the application process. Check your inbox for a confirmation email. Once you've verified your email address, follow the link to complete your partner application. On the partner application, provide the requested business details, followed by uploading your tax documentation, such as a resale certificate. As well as a valid government-issued photo ID. For non-US companies, complete a freight forwarding questionnaire, as we currently only ship within the United States. Once all fields are completed and your documentation is uploaded, click Submit Application. Our team will carefully review your submission and let you know the results of your application. After approval, log in using your credentials to explore our extensive wholesale catalog. From premium smartphones to accessories, you're ready to access exclusive deals and start ordering with BidAllies.